October 24, 1851. A beer brewer in Liverpool aimed his homemade telescope at Uranus, and discovered 2 hidden moons in a single night that professional astronomers had missed for 64 years. William Lassell made his fortune brewing beer, then spent it all building telescopes. His 24-inch reflector was one of the largest in the world. He pioneered the equatorial mount, a design that let the telescope track stars as Earth rotated. Professional astronomers used instruments from universities. Lassell ground his own mirrors in a brewery. On October 24th, he aimed at Uranus. William Herschel had discovered 2 moons, Titania and Oberon, back in 1787. But Herschel claimed he'd seen 4 more that nobody could confirm. Lassell found them. Not Herschel's ghosts, but 2 real moons nobody had ever seen. He named them Ariel and Umbriel, after characters from Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Within weeks, he'd also discovered Neptune's largest moon, Triton. A brewer with a homemade telescope was rewriting the solar system. When Queen Victoria visited Liverpool that same year, Lassell was the only person she specifically asked to meet. Not a lord. Not a scholar. A beer brewer who'd become the greatest telescope maker in Britain. Ariel turned out to have the brightest, youngest surface of all Uranian moons. Umbriel became the darkest, and scientists still don't know why. Both moons are named after spirits and fairies, because Lassell believed space should have poetry, not just numbers. Every time you look at Uranus through a telescope, 2 of those 5 visible moons were found by a guy who made beer for a living. Subscribe if that just made you rethink what qualified means.